Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faishal bro. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple profile card in using Kodular. So without any further ado, let's go into the apps. Okay, everyone. So here is the Kodular. So for the first, enter your Kodular dashboard or creator.kodular.io. Then in here, this is the first thing we need. That is the web browser and Kodular creator. Then the second one we need, if you have a mobile phone, you can use that. But if you want to just use your laptop or your desktop to make an app, you can use an emulator. Here I use emulator from BlueStack, and after in emulator you can install an app named Kodular Companion. So that's for the second thing we need, that is an emulator, a mobile emulator. And for your information, Kodular used for make an Android app. And in this video, we are going to make a profile card app using this software or Kodular. So the first thing, we have to create a new project. Then we can name this project. So I'll name it profile, use small case, profile card underscore card. Okay, then click the next button. Then set your app name. So maybe I'll write is profile card. Okay, so for the theme, just set to default. Then we are going to set the minimum SDK level. So for the recommend SDK level, I recommend you to use the Android 8 maybe or 7. So like that. Then then after that, just finish it. Just click the finish button and color will check out. So this is our screens. And just an information, we will config our design using our emulator because in Kodular only have just a little frame for the Android mobile phones. Like Samsung Galaxy S9 is the bigger frame size. So we'll use it, this frame. You can change the frame right here. But later we will set it to fit in our emulator or in our color companion. On yes, so in my blue stack is use Samsung S21 frame, so it will little bit driven for the preview in Kodular and in the emulator. So the first, so this is the screen one. We have to delete this one for the widget like this blue widget. So for delete this one, we can click the screen one. This is for the layer component panel, so we can see all of our component in this project. And then this is our screen properties, or if we click on widget, it will be widget properties. So we can set the widget or screen properties in this panel. And in the left side, you have a palette panel. This panel used for add and widget to our apps. So in the user interface, you can add button, then date picker, image, label, and anything else. Then in the layout, you can add something such like horizontal verticals, and there's another type of widget you can add in these projects. So the first we will make a maybe a splash screen for our apps. So or we will directly make the profile. maybe we will directly make the profile card. So the first, in the screen one properties panels, there is a checklist for the additional widget bar. So just uncheck the checklist, then it will be a totally blank page. So next, the element we'll use in for the first, we'll add a layout to this blank panel. So go to the layout panel, then go to the general, and you will have a vertical arrangement. Exactly, you can add a card view widget directly, but here we will use a vertical arrangement first. So then name this vertical arrangement as I think profile card. Yes, using small case profile profile pro, wait profile then underscore card. Rename. Don't forget to rename all of your layouts or widgets. This it will use for maybe if you want to add some more features or another things, it will be more easier if you name your layout or your widget. But for the screen, you cannot do rename. You cannot rename the screens. You only can to rename your like widget or the layouts like that. Then after that, we'll set this vertical arrangement for fully fill this blank page. How to do that? Go to the profile card properties and in the height and width settings from automatics, change it to fill parent. So the parent is screen one. So this vertical arrangement will fill the screen one width and height. So after that, go to the common properties here and still in the profile card properties panel, go to the line horizontal and vertical, just set it to center. So the both of alignment is center. Then we go to our main layout that is vertical or I mean card view. So still in the general, in the layout, take the card view and drag it to your screen and it will be right here. Okay, then for the align horizontal and align vertical, just set it to center. Then after that, we are going to our emulator and going to companion. So this is my companion. This is my companion. So if you have a mobile phone to test the app, you can go to the test and you can connect your mobile phone via encoder via USB. Or if you want to use a emulator, you can click the connect to companion. Then after that, that will show will appear a code here. So go to your emulator and enter the code that appear. HKXNTV. Okay, this is my code. Just enter. Okay, then the color will connect to the emulator companion. Okay. Okay, so this is my card view. Yes, very little. Then second one, we will change the background color right here because the card view background is white. So we cannot set the background color for the screen white too. So we'll change it. So go to the screen, then the properties panel of screen one, and then go to the background color. Then go to background color and click it. You can set any color that you want. I set it maybe a little blue, white blue, I think. It, okay, then set. So let's look at our emulator again. Okay, it has K. Then next, we will we will set the width and height for the car view. So for set the height and width, so we'll use percent. So percent used for yes, you will see. So just set the height from automatic to be 50%, I think. 50%. So it will set the height to 50% of the curve. That is the vertical arrangement. And set look at our emulator. So right here, I think we'll set it to 70%. 70%. Wait, sorry. Okay. 70%, I think is enough. So if you set some widgets, don't look at your Kodular uh or your work panel, but look at your emulator because the frame of the frame that enable in the color is very not very little. The bigger side is only Samsung Galaxy S9 for the mobile. So you have to fix it in the emulator screens. Then that's the height for the card view, and then the width we'll set it to maybe 50%, or we'll say that is 70%. Wait, this way. Okay. I think this one is enough. Wait, I think I will add it to 85%. Okay, so this is too much, so I'll set it to 80%. 80%, and look at, I think this is enough. Wait, it's very hard. 75. Okay, okay, let's look it. Okay, I think this is enough. Then we'll set for the corner radius or the border radius. So this is very sharp, I think, for the border or corner radius. So to set it, go to the card view properties panels, and then in the corner radius you can set it. So from 2, I think I'll set it to 10. And how it will be? Okay, um, maybe 15, I think. Wait, okay, 15. Okay, 15 is enough. Then we'll set for the shadow. Shadow box, you can set it on the elevation. So the elevation, bottom of corner radius, I think I set it to 10. Then, okay, this is enough for the shadow or elevation. Next, our card is done. Next, we will add an image. Oh, so for add an image, you can go to the user interface. So in this user interface sections, you can get a lot of widgets for user interface. So here I'll take the image and drop it in the card view. Then how to add an image to our called our app projects. So here we have an assets right here in the right side, right top of our screens. And click the assets manager, and here we can upload an asset. And because we will make a profile card, you have to make a circular image or ellipse image. Here I have prepared. So this is an ellipse image. Then click it, then uploading. Just wait. Okay, so my image have uploaded. Then close this. Maybe I'll change the car view background. because my image background is white too. If your image has a different background, you will not have to change it. So I'll change to little gray maybe. So it will like it looks like here. And then okay, then set the picture right here. This is a drop down. This is a drop down selections. So you can click it and uh, change to your image. Then wait. So this is my image. And how to set our image size to fit into our card view widget. Wait, don't I forget to rename our card feed. So name it to cards. Card. Then name our image to profile image. Profile underscore image. Profile image. Then I think I will use a pixels units. So pixel units it will be fixed size on your sheets. Maybe 200 pixels I think. 200 and yes it has resize settle. So look at our okay this is nice. Wait what? I think my card background is still gray. So I'll set it again to white. White. Okay, white. Yes, but it will be contrast with my image. Yeah, I think that's not a problem. So you can, if your image is the background of your image contrasts with the card, you can change your image. But but this time I think it doesn't matter. So that's our net. Besides your image, up to you for the size. After that, I think I'll decrease it to 180. Okay, then I'll take it 180. Okay, this is enough. Then we'll add some label, I think. So go to user interface, you can get a label and put it below the image, the profile image. Then look at how. So this. So label used for show a text or yes, show a text in your projects. Right here I'll write. So for the change the text content, you can go to label one properties and then go to the text and then write your name. Is Faishal and okay, that's my name. Then uh, then then for the width of our label, you can just click the fill parent. And after that, for the text alignment, click the center. So it will be centered. And for your information, the font and the color is a limited one. So there's just several font you can choose if you make a color font. But if you want to add a font to your Kodular project, you can go to the advanced properties. Then you can upload a .ttf format or that's a font format. Then you can upload it right here. I think I will not upload an new phone because I'll just use the default phone format in Kodular. So here I use monospace, then set the font size to 80, I mean 30, then look at, oh, I think the font is, yes, okay. After that, after set the font, set it to bold, I think I have to get a new font. Wait, I think I have my phone. I will just use the default phone in color. Mm, let's look what is the best phone we can get. I think I'll decrease the font size to 25, 25, and yes, okay, okay, 25 is okay. And don't forget to rename your level to name. Okay, rename, set it, look at our emulator, so this is our name, and then we'll add some space between the levels and the profile image. So here in the palette panel you can search a space, then put it between the text or the level and the profile. And for the A, I also set it to then to add the phone to the Kodular. You can go to the level, then you go to the advanced properties, then you can upload the files. But for information, your the phone that you added to Kodular will not show in the preview in the corner. It only shows while if the project was export or you play it on emulator. So that's why if you change to another phone besides of the default phone of Kodular, it will not show here. So next, I will not add any phones. I'll use the default phone from Kodular and after my name. So we'll add a level with. We have to add another space. So right here, copy the space. You can copy the space and then Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then put it below the name. Then I will increase the age. I think 3%. Okay, wait. I think 5%. Okay, 5%, and after that we go into user interface and then take two levels. Take two level right here. Oh wait, I'm forgot about something. So for the first, let the level that we had before. Okay, then for that we have to go to the layout and then general and take the horizontal arrangement. Yes, because we will make a level with an icon in the left side and a level in the right side. So it will show in one line the logo, the icon, and the text. So then we have to set the height and the width. So for the height, I'll set it to 1% or 2. Oh, wait. 5px. Then for the width, set it to full color. After that, we are going to take a level. This is the first level. Then take the second level and then put it like this. Then go to the horizontal arrangement and then set the line horizontal to the centers and the vertical to the center also. Then we'll set the level 1 to become an icon. So change the name to the icon. And the second level, that is level 2, the social media. Okay, then how to add an icon to your to Kodular. There's two ways to add an icon. First way, you can use a material icon fonts. For the examples, I go to the material icon and symbol. I'll go to the material icon and symbols, and then for the example, there is the Instagram right here. Okay, there's no. But if you want to add some icon with phones, you can go to the material icon from the Google Phones and then click one of the icon you want to add. Then from here, go to the Android and then copy code and then back to your color creator and then paste the text to the code that you copy. Then change the font type page to the material icons. Then it will change. So the second way you can add an image because there is no an image and there is no like social media icon in the material icon. We'll use an image. So first I think I have to delete this one and then go to the user interface and add an image. So then change it to the icon and here I have a Instagram logo and login logo. So back to the Kodular. So for in the icon, then we have to upload a new asset. So the first is the Instagram opens, then uploaded one, and use a small size of icon because in the free plan you cannot export an app that have an asset more than 5 megabytes. I'll change to Instagram, then resize the icons 20 px, okay, 20 px, then change the text levels. Okay, okay. Then after that, copy this horizontal arrangement using Control C and Control V. Then you can add change the text to all add and link in to the icon. I will upload a new asset. So this is my link in icons. Okay, and after that change the image and then for the social media text set it to your link. Okay, okay. Then after that we center and for the icon we show way of I think I will give this 15px or 20px I think for the 50 100 I think 100 90 90 no 80 85 okay I think 80 is yeah. Then after that I'll add some things like count on a project or certificate or book. So for that add a new space, you can copy the space, copy it and then put it below. And after that you can add a new in the layouts, you can add a new horizontal for the width, set it to fill parent. After that height we then set the height I think 5% is enough. Nope, 10%, 10%. Then after that, still in the general layouts, then take the vertical arrangement, vertical arrangement. I think we just have to make one vertical arrangement. Then in the vertical arrangement, set it to with sensors, enter, and then set in the horizontal arrangement of this one to align center. And then for the vertical arrangement, for the vertical arrangement, you can set the width, I think 100, 120 px, no, it's too much, or 90, yes, 90, okay. So the horizontal arrangement will change the background color. I think blue. I'll change it to blue. Then set it. Then set for the background color set. And the vertical arrangement. So the background on this current horizontal arrangement is blue. Then set the vertical arrangement to the center and center. Then we'll add some level, two level right here. Okay, automatic. Then set the first level to project. Project. Then change the font size to 30. I think yes. Then the second level to 15. Also set it to automatic 15 px with 40 px 100 px. Okay, and set it to the center. And set the second level to the count. Maybe 11 projects. Okay, that's enough. 11 projects. Maybe for the font size in the first level, I'll change it to 5. Okay, then you can copy the vertical arrangement. This one. This one. After that, for the second vertical arrangement, you can copy it to, for example, we can make it to book. Then set it to center. For the text, change it to 1. Then the last vertical arrangement, change it to circle, or we can do a words, I think. Words. Then for the text, change to the 3. Okay, up to you. So the horizontal arrangement. Okay, okay, okay. So is it done? Then you can play on your emulator. And here I will play it on my emulator. Okay. So the next one. So if you play this this project on your emulator, so it will show like a profile card. But right here there is a little problem with my emulator, so you can play it by yourself. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this tutorial video how to make a simple profile card. For the Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.